addition to the Python library or script that Apple made called GYB, and it basically just makes it so that you can create new files on a whim. So all you gotta do is put this little command, which is just a Swift comment. You say new GYB file, and then you give it a file name, and then it will actually do it. So if you run it the normal way, how am I gonna do it without this comment, right? You run GYB normally, what you get is one file, right? So our original file was this .swift GYB. So we get the .swift, and it just dumps everything, one Swift file. But this was annoying for me because I had a project that just literally would have tens of thousands of lines of code because I was doing some pretty complex stuff with it. So I wanted to be able to break it down so I can actually edit, or like not edit, but at least debug without the Xcode slowing down a lot or just having it more organized. So if you just add that new file comment, what it does is it actually takes the first bit of your code, puts it in the main file, right? So this section right here is before we actually call this comment, so it goes in the main file. But then once we call this, it's going to put it in a sub file. It puts it, the folder name ends up being the same as the main file, and then you get all your sub files, which you can name yourself by just type whatever you want here. You can see it just literally just breaks down the file and puts in these sub files. Really useful for me at least, and I thought it was so quick to make this little script. I mean, I didn't add much to the original Python. I just kind of did a quick hack. So if anyone has any improvements, let me know. But I just thought I'd publish it in case anyone else needed this. Another thing is if you want to put in your Xcode build phase, this is a modification of a script that I found online to do with normal GYB throughout the entire project. And all you gotta do is just call my version of the script, the GYB2, and the whole thing will just work. And you saw it earlier. It works if you don't provide a new file command. It just puts it in one file just like normal. So this is compatible with all the old GYB scripts you might have. I think that's it. I don't think there's anything else to it. So you guys let me know what you think. Yeah, have a good day.